Today our topic is shares and dividend. To know about shares and dividend, we will go with one example format or method. Imagine Mr. A thought of starting an pharma company. He need a manufacturing plant, he need to recruit employees, he need to set separate department for each IT, marketing, etc. So he added an budget. So total budget for an pharma company is 50 crore. As he is an ordinary man, he don't have that much money. So he thought to go and ask money with public. He need a total investment of rupees 50 crore and going to divide into smaller subunits. That is company investment needed equal to 50 crore and subunit equal to rupees 100 each. So if you divide 50 crore by 100, you will get a 50 lakh subunit or share. Basically, people need to invest in his company. In return, he is going to give a share that is a part of his company. We divide 50 crore money in each 100 subunits. So I need 50 lakh subunit. Mr. A got an first investor named Mr. Raj. So he is going to invest a 50 lakh rupees in his company. Subunit cost equal to rupees 100 each. It is an face value or nominal value. We can say it as a face value or nominal value. And this is the price company offering the share. Total subunits equal to 50 lakh divided by 100. So totally 50,000 subunits. So Raj is investing 50 lakhs and he is getting 50,000 shares from the company. After a year, pharma company makes profit. Distribution of profits among its shareholder. Distribution rate equal to 10%. Distribution rate or dividend rate or annual income or profit. So formula for annual income equal to distribution rate divided by 100 into face value into number of shares. Face value is nothing but company taken from Raj and number of shares Raj has. Annual income equal to 10 percentage, that is nothing but a dividend rate into face value, that is 100, into number of shares, that is 50,000. So if you cancel this, you will get a 5 lakh rupees, that is annual income. Mr. Raj gets straight away 50 lakh as annual income or profit. Another 6 months, Mr. Raj need fund. As company is doing well, he offers to sell the share at higher price. To sell each share at rupees 140. So selling price is nothing but a market value. So total selling price equal to selling price into number of shares. 140 into 50,000 share that Raj has. So totally he is going to sell the shares for 70 lakh rupees. Keep in mind, Mr. Raj is selling to market who wants to buy the share, not to the company. Important formulas in the chapter shares and dividend are sum invested equal to number of shares bought into market value of one share and number of shares equal to sum invested to buy the share divided by market value of one share. Annual income AI equal to number of shares into rate of dividend into nominal value of one share and dividend, that is nothing but income equal to number of shares into dividend percentage into nominal value of each share. Profit equal to dividend divided by sum invested into 100%. In the next video, we will solve the sums from the exercise 3A.